Respected parents and my dear students, this is Rajvinder Pal from Yways. Hope you all are fine at your respected places. Dear students, my today's videos is on nursing special. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਾਇਰ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਲੇਟਰ ਔਨ ਪੀਆਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸੈਟਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਲੈਟਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ So students, first of all, मैं nursing special ਨੂੰ ਤਿੰਨ different categories ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ divide ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ. The first category is when you have done your +2 with physics, chemistry, bio and maths as an additional subject, means when you have all the 4 major subjects. Then we have after graduation ਉਹਨਾਂ students ਲਈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲ BSc nursing, GNM ਜਾਂ midwifery ਦੇ already ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ courses ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ. And for the students who have physics, chemistry and bio as their major subjects. So I divided these nursing special into 3 different categories. So first of all, we talk about the students who have their physics, chemistry, bio and mathematics as major subjects in +2. So the first come is the diploma in practical nursing, which is a 2-year program. So students ये 2 साल का program है diploma in practical nursing ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ और बहुत ही famous diploma है. Mostly ਜਿਹੜੇ students ने diploma in practical nursing ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ adopt ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਕੋਈ round about 70 to 80% of colleges ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ diploma in practical nursing ਦਾ offer ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Then we have bachelor's of science in nursing, which is a 4-year degree program. Then bachelor's of nursing, again a 4-year degree program, and then we have BSc nursing, which is again a 4-year degree program. So students, this bachelor and the only diploma which I mentioned here is for the students who have mathematics as additional subject. Now next come for the students who have only physics, chemistry and bio as their major subjects. The courses that are available for these students are, first of all, bachelor's of child and youth care, which is a 4-year program. Then we have bachelor's of health science, which is public health, again a 4-year program. Then we have BSc human nutrition public health program, which is again a 4-year. Then bachelor of environmental public health, it is an honors degree, again 4-year. Bachelor's of health science, specialization in human health science and public health. Then there is a diploma of child and youth care, which is a 2-year program. Then there is another diploma which is related to biotechnology, remote and rural public health. It is again a 2-year diploma. Then there is a postgraduate diploma. This is for the students who have physics, chemistry and biology as their major subjects in +2, and they also have BSc nursing or GNM in their graduation. This is a 1-year postgraduate program. Then there is a fast track course available for the students who want to pursue in nursing, that is native child and family services, which is a 2-year program. Next come for the students who already have BSc nursing, GNM or midwifery diplomas or bachelor degree. That means those all already graduate in nursing. So the postgraduate and advanced diploma in practical nursing that are available in Canada are accelerated bachelor of science in nursing, which is a 2-year program. Then coronary care nursing, which is a 1-year postgraduate diploma. Then we have enhanced nursing practice, critical and clinical care, which is a 1-year program. Then gerontological nursing, which is a 2-year advanced diploma. Then we have nursing leadership and management, which is 1 year of postgraduate program. Then we have nursing management and leadership and healthcare management, which is a 2-year program. Then there is nursing practice in Canada, which is again a 2-year advanced diploma program. So students, there are some master degree programs also available. Students who want to pursue for their higher studies in masters, they can go for the accelerated Bachelor of Sciences Nursing, which is a 2-year master degree program. Then you have MSc and nursing. You have Masters of Nursing Nurse Practitioner, which is with the partnership of Saskatchewan Polytechnic, which is a 2-year master degree program. Then you have Nursing Thesis and Practitioner, which is again a 2-year master degree program. So students, you have seen that all the bachelor courses, they are of 4 years. The postgraduate and diploma and advanced diploma courses are of 2 years and 1 year, and the master degree programs are all of 2 years. So students, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਜਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਐਲੀਜੀਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਰਹੇਗੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗ੍ਰੇਡ ਨੇ ਉਹ 65% ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ। then ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ additional subjects ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ mathematics, you also have 65% marks in mathematics and 65% marks in biology and 65% marks in chemistry. So these are the 4 major requirements if you want to apply for the nursing program in Canada. Then students, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ IELTS ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਪਲਸਰੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। So the overall band requirement for nursing programs, that is a 6.5 band with the minimum of 6.0 in each module. And students, कुछ universities and colleges ऐसे भी नहीं जेडे higher end ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ IELTS ਦੇ band ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ। So some of the universities are also there which assess students with an overall band score of 7. So we can also go for the TOEFL students. The overall score requirement 88 रहेगी with 22 minimum marks रहेंगे हर एक component ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, like reading, listening, speaking and writing. So students, ਜਿਹੜੇ domestic students ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ already ਉੱਧਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ program ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ and later on ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ PR ਲਈ ਜਾਂ ਹਾਇਰ ਸਟੱਡੀਜ਼ ਲਈ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਟ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਜਾਂ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਵਾਉਣੀ ਪਏਗੀ ਫਰੋਮ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕ੍ਰੀਡੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਆਫ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਂ ਵਰਲਡ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਤੋਂ। ਸੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕਮ ਦਾ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਸ। ਸੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਡਿਪਲੋਮਾ ਜਾਂ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਦਾ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ from Canadian government. The different certification exam that are available, the first is the Canadian Nurse Association. So this is a computer based test, specially credential for nurses hai. Just a second. Then it is a computer based test. ਇਹ test ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 ਵਾਰੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ credential hai, that is valid for 5-year term, and after 5 years you have to re-return the exam or you have to submit your record of continuous learning in nursing field. Then there is another certification exam, the National Council Licensure Examination, NCLEX ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ। So it is mostly for the nurses who already work in North America. If they want to come to Canada and want to pursue their practicing in nursing, then they have to clear this certification exam. So next students, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦੇ ਹਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ ਐਂਡ ਟੈਰੀਟਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਲੱਗ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਰੈਗੂਲੇਟਰੀ ਬਾਡੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ ਐਂਡ ਜੋ ਟੈਰੀਟਰੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਸ ਅਲੱਗ ਤੋਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, we have British Columbia ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ College of Registered Nurses ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ। then College and Association of Registered Nurses of Alberta ਹੈ। Saskatchewan Registered Nurses Association ਹੈ। College of Registered Nurses of Manitoba, then College of Nurses of Ontario, then College of Nursing in Quebec, then we have Nurses Association of New Brunswick, College of Registered Nurses of Nova Scotia, Association of Registered Nurses of Prince Edward Island, and Association of Registered Nurses of Newfoundland and Labrador. Then there is another certification from Northwest Territories and New World, and there is a Yukon Registered Nurses Association. So you have seen that there are 12 different certification examinations. Those are all based on province and territories or the regulatory bodies of each provinces. So students, next come the average wages. जो average wages nurses ਲਈ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ Canada ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, first of all ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, that is near about or $80,000 annually. पर आवर ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, then $41 per hour ਦੇ according ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ wages ਨੇ nurses ਦੇ। ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਲੈਵਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਜੌਬਸ ਨੇ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਹੈਲਥ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡਸ ਜਾਂ ਹਸਪੀਟਲਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਅਬਾਊਟ $41,000 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੌਬ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ ਵਿਦ ਐਨ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਗੋ ਐਜ਼ ਹਾਈ ਅਪ ਟੂ around about $94,000 in a year. So students, this is all about the nursing special. So these are the courses that are available for you after your +2 or after your graduation degree. You can either adopt for the postgraduate diploma or the advanced diploma or the simple practical nursing diploma, and you can also go for the master's degree program after your graduation or +2. One thing students, this is the most reputed and respected profession of in Canada. So there are great prospects of this course in Canada, and one can easily get PR after getting these courses from Canada universities and colleges. For further information, students, you can visit or follow us on our Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or Google. And thank you. That's all.